Unit 2. Visiting a friend.
Hello, who is it?
It's me, Bob.
Hey, Bob. Come on in. I've been waiting for you. Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay. I'm still a little bit sleepy. I haven't had my coffee yet.
I understand.
Do you want something to drink?
Do you have any fresh squeezed orange juice?
No, I'm out of orange juice. Would you like some grape juice?
Grape juice. That would be great.
Oh. Sorry. Out of grape juice, too.
That's too bad.
Have you had breakfast yet?
No, have you?
No, I haven't. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Let's go out and get something to eat.
Okay, that sounds good. My aunt has a breakfast shop near here.
Great, let's go there.
Okay, let's go. Hey, Bob, come on in. I've been waiting for you. Do you want something to drink?
Do you have any fresh squeezed orange juice?
No, I'm out of orange juice. Would you like some grape juice? Have you had breakfast yet?
Let's go out and get something to eat.